Now we want to take a look at the latest headlines related to the coronavirus. Today, California lawmakers returned to the state capitol after an extended summer recess, all because of the virus. Lawmakers will have about 5 weeks to pass bills. Plus, Senate Republicans are expected to unveil their latest relief package today. This comes as crucial federal aid is set to expire at the end of the week. And the world's biggest COVID-19 vaccine study has begun. 30,000 volunteers will be given shots created by the U.S. government. Robbie Waters, a former Sacramento City councilman and sheriff, has died from COVID-19. The family made that announcement today. His wife says Waters had been out of the house since June 30th when he fell and broke his hip. She said he didn't have COVID-19 at that time, and it's still unclear just how and when he contracted the virus, but he did stay at a skilled nursing facility. Waters was once a member of the Sacramento Police Department. In the 1970s, he transported Lynette Squeaky Fromm to jail after she tried to assassinate President Gerald Ford when he visited the state capitol. Waters was 84 years old. Here's a look now at the coronavirus numbers across California. According to Johns Hopkins University, more than 21,000 cases were reported in the last 3 days. California's case count has grown to more than 452,000. 247 virus-related deaths were reported in the same time period. It pushed the state's virus death toll to more than 8,400. Now to the number of people in the hospital for COVID-19. This graph shows you the trend over the past month. As of Saturday, just over 6,900 COVID-positive people were in hospitals. The number of people in intensive care units have gone down slightly over the last week. Nearly 2,000 COVID-19 patients were in ICUs across the state as of Saturday. The California Health Department will release Sunday's numbers later today.